Hi guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and it is a Thursday afternoon. It's kind of stormed here a little bit. Power's been off and on a little bit, but it's on for now, so hopefully it'll stay on. I thought today I would take you guys along with us and show you our afternoon routine. So just on a typical day when we are home during the week, which this coming school year, our afternoons will be busy 2 days during the week, and then we'll just have home days 3 days, and then of course we'll have our weekends. But you know, just on a typical weekday, we eat lunch after our morning time. Okay, so our morning time consists of breakfast, morning chores, Bible, all of our morning time subjects that we do with Homeschool Garden. So it might be poetry or hymn or reading from some Shakespeare or something like that. And then we do history, and 2 days a week I do a science lesson from from The Good and the Beautiful. And then once we finish that stuff, then we do lunch, and then afternoon routine. Everybody wants to say hello. So that's where we're at right now. Everybody has finished lunch or nearly finished lunch, and the kids are taking a break and watching a show. They're probably going to do that for rest time instead of... The baby will take a nap, but no one else has been taking naps lately except for the baby. So I'm just going to let them watch a show for rest time. And I am going to get my afternoon chores done, and I'll show you what I do during the afternoons as far as our chores go. And then we will start our rotations, language arts, and all of that stuff. All right, guys, so the first part of my afternoon routine involves switching out the laundry. My laundry room is not a fancy decorated space. It's just purely functional. I would love to have a nicely decorated space, but I don't even know if we'll get around to decorating this laundry room. It's just gonna depend on how long we're here. You may or may not know, but we are a military family, so I don't really want to invest in a lot of stuff for this room if we're going to be moving soon. So, you know how that goes if you're military or if you know anybody who's military. So anyway, this is just a purely functional space. Every morning I start a load of laundry. I will typically not fold the laundry from the night before until I come in here and do this switcheroo. I am currently doing 2 to 3 loads of laundry on a regular day. Sometimes, if we're out of the house, I may only get 1 load done. But typically I'm doing 2 to 3 loads of laundry a day to keep up with everything for our family of 8. And that is washing everyone's clothes, towels. I do towels once a week. I do the kitchen rags once a week. I do, and towels is usually 2 to 3 loads on its own. And then sheets once a week, sometimes more often if there's been an accident, you know what I mean? It really just depends. So yeah, I'm doing 2 to 3 loads of laundry a day. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to fold the laundry from last night. Hopefully it's dry. And then I am going to switch the laundry over here to the dryer and then start another load. And the way that I do it right now is I just fold the laundry as I pull it out of the dryer. I haven't always done this. Times when I don't do this, it just piles up over here on my counter like crazy. So I fold the laundry when I pull it out of the dryer, and then once or twice a week, whenever I have the opportunity, I'll come in here and then sort everybody's laundry into the correct pile, put it in a basket, and take it to their room. So that's the best thing that I found, the best solution. My kids do not do laundry right now. My oldest is 10, and then I have an 8-year-old, and I know they're capable. Of course, everybody's younger. I know they're capable of probably doing their own laundry, but it's not really something I want to mess with. They do know how to start the washer and dryer. Occasionally they will help me switch out laundry, help me fold laundry. They are mostly in charge of putting away their own laundry after I take it to their rooms. But right now it's just easier for me to wash everyone's clothes all together. So I do have hampers in each bathroom, and that's where everybody's dirty clothes go. And then we put it into the laundry room once a week. And I sort it out in here and get to washing. I'll take out towels once a week and do those, and all of that stuff. So that's how I'm managing laundry right now. And it's been the best solution I've been able to come up with after trying many different types of laundry systems, having multiple baskets arranged for everyone, and yeah. If I was in a season of life where I had a newborn or I was pregnant again or something like that, this would probably look like a disaster zone, to be honest. But we're doing all right. Keeping up with it. Now, I do use wool dryer balls. These are from Grove Collaborative. I will leave my referral link in the description box because I love Grove Collaborative. I love getting most of my cleaning supplies from them. The wool dryer balls, sometimes I'll put some essential oil on them. Most of the time I just use them as is. They keep the laundry from getting too staticky. And I cannot use any sort of scented dryer sheets or scented fabric softener because I have one child who has eczema, and those scented things will cause a flare-up. So I have resorted to not using any scented laundry products for her skin. Switched over, I'll start on the dishes that are left from breakfast and lunch. The kids' job is to unload the dishwasher in the morning, so it is completely unloaded, and then I will just put in all of our breakfast and lunch dishes and go ahead and run that load. That way we can clear it out before dinner and start the dinner dishes again. So that way we can clear it out in the morning all over again. just do any other quick cleanup that needs to be done. Wiping down counters, wiping down the stove top, sweeping the floor, stuff like that. Alright guys, so basically my afternoon routine just consists of cleaning up anything from breakfast, getting the dishes loaded into the dishwasher from breakfast and lunch, getting the dishwasher started, and then, you know, if I need to sweep or wipe down a counter or whatever, I'll do that. And that's pretty much it. We're about to get started on our rotations. I did want to show you something that I've done for my kids really quick in case you're interested, because it has actually been working pretty well for us. So I created a daily schedule checklist for each of my older kids because there are a lot of things they can do on their own without me having to stand over them, and we were having trouble with them actually getting those things done. So I made a checklist. I put it in the page protector so they can just mark off everything that they do. She does need to do her morning time, mark that off, and then mark off tidy before lunch. And then she helped put away lunch dishes. But yeah, that is what I have done for my older kids. Younger kids, I actually made a schedule just with some clip art, and it's a lot more basic than this, but they want it to be included too, so they have their own little clip art schedules. So that's it. I gotta go and get started on all of our language arts rotations and making sure that the kids get those items on the bottom of the list checked off. So if you like videos like these, be sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, hit that notification bell. I am getting into a routine of posting about 3 times a week. I post homeschool videos and then like homemaking videos, which could either be cleaning or recipes or a day in the life or something along those lines. So that is what's going on here. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.